Hey guys, what's up? My name is Williams and I run Williams C Sharp and Engineering Walkthroughs. I hope you're all doing very well. In this particular episode, it's going to be a little bit different. I was debating to myself whether I should do a live stream or a recording for this particular episode, but I decided on a recording. Just chill out. I'm gonna chill out. I'm gonna take my time with this. But honestly, the entire premise, as the title may suggest for this video, is that can I build a basic app in one sitting, basically without having to leave my room, maybe even my chair, technically speaking. I might find out. And I'm going to be using AI in as much as I can to achieve this. Now, I'm not going to be trying to one-shot an application, but what I will be doing is using AI to build classes. For example, I have the code base here for some XAML, which I already requested from AI Copilot. I'm using Copilot for this. I'm using Copilot in the browser and Copilot in Visual Studio 2026. And not much further ado. Let's get straight into this, guys. So I'm going to make a Pomodoro timer. I'm going to make this on UWP, targeting a Windows platform, and I want to have the scope to monetize and to deploy my application on the Microsoft Store. Let me know, guys, if you want to see a separate video of me uploading my Pomodoro timer or any app in general to the Microsoft Store. I'll be very happy to make a 2026 updated version for one of my older videos where I showed how to upload from the Microsoft Store from Visual Studio. Sweetness. So let's see how this goes, guys. So I got XAML here. I've already copied it into my Visual Studio session, which I've already loaded ahead of time. As you can see, basic stuff, right? It was a basic request. I got a start, pause, and reset. And I'm quite pleased with this. I think the text blends with the background. I did ask for a dark theme. I'm not sure why the background is white. But anyway, it's okay. I might be able to change that. Let's see now. I'm not going to disable this extension because disabling this extension actually is not good for Visual Studio. The project won't run properly, as I've discovered. So I'm going to cross out that notification. Okay, sweetness. Let's get into this, guys. So I'm going to go hop to the XAML. And I want to see what the text color is of the timer. Looks like it's white. So I'm going to go ahead and change the background to black if I can, because then I can contrast with the text, which is white. And this app is so basic, which is the whole idea, isn't it, guys? Because I want to see how quick is it we can get from, draft of an app to monetize shipped application, right? And that's the whole idea. 2026 capitalist economy. We want to build apps because software sells, doesn't it? So how quickly can we turn around an application in a development cycle as quick as possible? I suppose I specialize on the Windows platform, so naturally I was quite intrigued. I was quite intrigued to make a Windows-based app as opposed to, say, like an Android or iPhone app. Okay, so I'm pasting my text in. Very curious about this. Okay. Oh, I pressed enter on accident. This is such a time save, guys. Like, if this actually works. Which, right now, just by eyeballing the code, it looks quite sound. Let's see. Do I have dispatcher timer on deck? Am I using the right namespace? Yes, over there. Oh gosh, I can't see it. Oh, it's under UI XAML. I thought it was under... Oh, I thought I had to use system.threaded. What was the last one? Reset. And obviously I'm going at the AI thing from like a code base level rather than just like one-shotting an application level. So it's an interesting point of view. And that should be it, guys. Let's have a look at what happens. Let's see, make sure everything's here. I'm gonna kind of just like review the code. So we've got all the functions. All that's left is to test the app. So I'm gonna hit my app in debug mode, the debug flags. And while we're here, guys, I'm gonna go to my developer account. Because I would like to ship this app if I can. I mean, looking at how simple it took me to make it, it'd be quite fun to see if I can just put this on the Microsoft Store. I do have a developer account. Microsoft Developer Portal. Where am I? I don't know if it's this link. I paid money for it, so obviously you need to pay to be a Microsoft developer. I'm trying to find the link. Can't find it. I think it's this one. I should already be logged in, I think. Seems I'm in my dashboard now, I don't know. I have to check. Yeah, I'm in. Okay, sweetness. So as I'm waiting for, let me check UWP again. So UWP is just loading. I already have an application on the Microsoft Store. I have my post-scheduling Lite application, which I coded from absolute scratch. And you know, this was pre-AI. I did try to deploy my flashcard application. It didn't work. It's just been stuck in certification. I don't know what's going on with that. I have another app that I'm kind of like testing the waters with, but in all honesty, I might call this one and just kind of work on it a little bit more. This is my application, Post Scheduling Lite. It's in the Microsoft Store. I'm quite happy about that. So let me know, guys, if you want to see how to upload a new product, if you want to see how it's done. Alright, sweetness. Let's see. A bit of a notification now. Ooh, game public options have been updated. Choose GDK game for GDK based titles. MSIX for UWP. Oh, that's good news. I'll probably go to MSIX PWA game for UWP route. I usually export to MSIX. Awesome. So I'm just gonna wait for UWP to load. So I'm gonna, wow, that's sweet. This looks like it's like using binding or something. Time text.text. I was curious, I was like, why is this code commented out? Let's see what happens. I hit start. And then get rid of the breakpoint. Okay, breakpoints, okay. I'm gonna hit continue. And we have liftoff, guys. We have a timer. I'm happy about that. So what happens when we hit a minute? We're gonna wait and see. Obviously it's gonna reset. I actually meant to say 20 minutes. Let me have a look. Did I specify that I want a 20-minute clock? Maybe that's a good thing that I didn't specify I wanted a 20-minute clock. Because a Pomodoro timer should stop at 20 minutes, shouldn't it? But I guess this is just an ordinary timer then, because I didn't specify that in the specification. So this is just gonna keep going beyond 20, because I don't even see I only see a reset at 60 seconds. Let me look at that. But I guess I could always say if minutes is a certain amount, you know, 20, then I could pause or something. But I don't want to do that. I like how my app is. I like that the app is working quite smoothly. And honestly, I don't want to have to write the code myself when I prompted this solution. So, yeah, guys, I think this brings me to the end of the video. Like, you know, it didn't take long to do this. So we've built in AI in Visual Studio 2026. Built-in AI. I was able to basically one-shot an app with code. I use browser Copilot AI for XAML because I just felt like doing it that way. And yeah, let's test out about its pause at 132. Let's hit, is it pause or start to resume? Let's see. So since I hit start, that's it. Awesome, makes sense. And I'm gonna hit pause, I'm gonna hit reset. So we have an ordinary timer, not bad at all, not bad, I'm pleased. Guys, this will be all for the video. I could have live streamed, it would have been lit. It would have been lit, man. I should have live streamed it, but it's okay. Guys, if you want to see me upload this application to the Microsoft Store or any other Microsoft application, Windows app, let me know in the comments what you want to see. Yeah, if it's a game, I'm kind of looking at uploading apps because of the turnaround times. As you can see, it's just like unmatched versus games, which take a bit longer, even with AI. So guys, let me know what you want to see in like my applications. And I bid you all a great day. Thanks guys for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.